Long-blooming perennials can provide continuous visual interest in your garden, starting from spring through fall, keeping the landscape vibrant and attractive for a longer period. If you are looking for fantastic plants that adds continuous blooms for extended period, this video is for you. Let's explore 15 long-blooming perennial plants for beautiful landscaping. Veronica Speedwell. A versatile and attractive perennial plant, valued for their attractive flowers and low-maintenance nature. Veronica plants typically feature spikes or clusters of small, tubular flowers that bloom in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the species and cultivar. Speedwell perennial adds continuous blooms, starting from late spring to end of the summer season. It is a perfect sun-loving plant for sun-exposed landscape areas. Pugster butterfly bush, also known as Buttelja pugster, is a popular choice among gardeners for its compact size, long blooming period, and attractive flowers. Unlike traditional butterfly bushes that can grow quite large, pugster varieties are compact, typically reaching only about 2 to 3 feet in height and width. Despite their smaller size, pugster butterfly bushes produce large, dense flower spikes, continuously from early summer to frost. Echinacea, commonly known as coneflower, is a popular perennial, valued for its easy-to-grow, long-blooming, stunning colorful flowering options. It comes in glorious shades of pink, orange, yellow and red, as well as a range of flower forms. Coneflowers generally bloom from early to late summer, adding a splash of color to the garden. The flowers are often fragrant and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. A popular choice perennial to add wide range of colors during summertime. Salvia, also known as meadow sage, is a sun-loving perennial. Typically produces upright spikes of small, tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the cultivar. With its long-lasting blooms and easygoing nature, it's a popular choice for gardeners looking to create beautiful and sustainable landscapes. Growth habit of salvia makes it a wonderful perennial choice for front yard garden areas where sun exposure is more than 6 hours per day. If you are enjoying the content of this video, please drop a like to this video for channel support. Thank you. Luminary ultraviolet Phlox paniculata. This phlox is a standout variety of garden phlox, known for its vivid color and long blooming period. This variety blooms from early summer to early fall, providing an extended period of color in the garden. Vibrant purple flowers are fragrant, adding an extra sensory appeal. Deadhead the spent blooms, to encourage more flowers and maintain a tidy appearance. Gaura lindheimeri. A low-maintenance, easy-to-grow, clump-forming perennial plant. It produces masses of butterfly-like flowers from spring to winter. Flower colors include blush pink, deep pink and white. Prune by up to half in early spring, to promote dense and neat habit. A light prune in early autumn will encourage repeat flushes of flower. The airy texture of this sun-loving plant provides a stunning accent in a mixed perennial border. Nepeta catmint, commonly known as cat's pajamas, is a versatile and attractive perennial plant that adds beauty and fragrance to the garden, while also attracting beneficial pollinators. Catmint typically grows in mounds of soft, gray-green foliage, with spikes of small tubular flowers that can range in color from lavender blue to white, depending on the variety. It is drought-tolerant and relatively low-maintenance perennial to add wonderful colors, from spring season to fall. Lantana is a perennial vining, flowering plant in warm zones, and act like an annual in places with frosty winters. Fast-growing lantana produces rounded clusters of small, brightly colored flowers in yellow, orange or pink from early summer through fall season. The cheerful flower clusters, in a rainbow of single and multi-hues blooms non-stop, from late spring through frost, and nearly year-round in warmer climates. Sedum autumn joy. Commonly known as stonecrop, is a popular perennial plant valued for its reliable performance, attractive foliage, and long-lasting blooms. The flowers emerge during summer season, and gradually change color as they mature, creating a beautiful gradient effect. Overall, Sedum autumn joy is a versatile and attractive perennial plant that adds color, texture, and pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden. Succulent-type foliage in thick green color adds a contrasting color to front yard landscaping. Newer autumn joy varieties comes with variegated leaves which adds a striking foliage to the garden areas. Mexican Petunia. Scientifically known as Rulia britanniana, is a popular perennial known for its colorful, petunia-like flowers, and hardy nature. Mexican petunias produce vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers that come in shades of purple and pink. They bloom from late spring through fall, providing a long season of color. Mexican petunias thrive in full sun to partial shade. They flower best with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Tickseed, also known by its botanical name Coreopsis, is a low-maintenance perennial plant, known for its daisy-like flowers and airy foliage. The flowers are daisy-like with a prominent central disc, comes in shades of yellow and orange, depending on the species and cultivar. This long-blooming perennial blooms profusely from late spring to fall, adding vibrant color to the garden. Blanket flower, scientifically known as Gaillardia, valued for its outstanding hardiness, ever-blooming flowers, and drought tolerance. Blanket flowers are such long bloomers that they work equally well in borders and containers. It do well with other heat-loving plants that thrive in full sun. There are different popular types from Gaillardia cultivar, comes in shades of red, orange and yellow. Arizona Sun, Mesa Yellow and Sunset Celebration are most popular cultivars to produce vibrant flowers. Dipladenia, commonly referred to as mandevilla, is a tropical perennial, known for its vibrant, trumpet-shaped flowers, and glossy green foliage. Dipladenia produces large, showy flowers, in shades of red, pink, and white, from late spring through fall, providing a long season of color. It thrives in full sun to partial shade. For best flowering, provide at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Daylilies are popular perennials known for their hardiness, low maintenance, and stunning, colorful blooms. Daylilies come in a wide range of colors, including yellow, orange, red, pink and multicolored varieties. Different cultivars bloom at different times, but generally, they flower from early summer to early fall. It prefers full sun, but can tolerate part-sun conditions. Shasta daisy, scientifically known as leucanthemum, values for its long-blooming attractive flowers available in single, double and fringed forms. It have white petals with yellow centers, providing a clean, classic look. It dark green, lance-shaped foliage form a dense clump at the base of the plant. Shasta daisies are excellent for mixed borders and perennial beds, adding height and a bright focal point. Thank you for watching House Talks channel. For more interesting garden ideas, please subscribe to the channel. A new video will be added every week.